In this video, we are going to talk about addition and subtraction of algebra, algebraic expressions. So the first thing we learned is that if we want to add in algebraic expression, we have to know something called the like terms, and we know about that. So we said um, like terms can be added and subtracted, right? For instance, if we have 3 pence, 3 pence can be added to 7 pence to get 10 pence, because we have three. Let's say in short terms, since this is pence and this is also pence, we are going to cut it in short and write it in form of one single variable. So we write it as 3p, and the next one we write it as 7p. So since we know that there is p here and there is p here, so they are like terms. They have the same variable factor. So since there is p here and there is p here, we can add their coefficient. So we have 3 plus 7. So 3 plus 7 will give us 10. Then we attach the p to it. Also, 3 pence can be taken away from 7 pence to get 4 pence. For instance, if I have 7 pence, then I want to subtract 4 pence from it, I'm going to get 7 minus 4 gives us 3p. So, unlike terms, on the other hand, cannot be added nor subtracted. This is the fact that 3 pence cannot be added nor subtracted from 7 erasers. For instance, the first one, if I have 3 pen plus 7 7 erasers, we will still get 3 pence plus 7 erasers. Again, if we have 7 erasers minus 3 pence, we will still get 7 erasers minus 3 pence. The same thing we are going to get. There is nothing, unlike terms cannot be added. These are like terms, and these are unlike terms. Like terms can be added or subtracted. Like terms can be added or subtracted. Unlike terms can not be added nor subtracted. I hope you understand what I'm trying to tell you. So the next thing we are going to do is to take some common example and work under them. So example number 1, we are to simplify the following. So the first question will be giving us 16y plus 4y plus 2y. Now we know that we scan through to check for the variables, um, same variable factors. So there is y here, there is another y here, and there is y here. So it means that all the three terms, this term and this term and this term, they all have the same variable factor. Same variable factor. So what do? We can add their coefficients. So this coefficient 16, 4, and 2. So 16 plus 4 gives us 20. 20 plus 2 gives us 22. So we have 22y. Are we okay? Example number 2, 12a minus 8a. So there is a here and there is a here. So they have the same variable factor. So we have 12 minus 8 gives us 4a. And question number 3, 25 t minus 14t minus t. So we have t, t, and t yet. So they have the same variable factor. So we have 25 minus 14, which will give us 11. 11 minus 1, because the coefficient of t is 1. So 11 minus 1 is 10t. And this will be our answer. Now the last one. The last one gives us 17x plus 6y. Now, since it's 17x plus 6y, we will still get 17x plus 6y. Why? Because the variable factor here is not the same as the variable factor here, so they are not the same. Are we okay? So, see you in my next video. Bye bye.